Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to showing you around this very special Land Rover Defender 90 D300 75th limited edition. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the very unique Grasmere Green. Proceeding from the front, you'll see the Matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side of this Defender, the rugged yet luxury dynamics are continued as it sits on these 20-inch Grasmere Green alloy wheels. And to the rear, you'll see further contrasting features as well as the privacy glass, which will ensure contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Upon opening the side hinge tailgate will reveal a versatile amount of boot space. Upon looking to your left, you'll see easy to access controls for your electronic air suspension, as well as your electrically deployable tow bar. Venturing to the rear of this Defender, you will be met with your 40-20-40 fixed heated rear seats with their own climate control system, which both passengers can tailor to their own individual preferences. Glimpsing into the cockpit, driver and passenger will most certainly be impressed with their 14-way heated and cooled electric memory front seats, which will ensure every journey is as comfortable as the last. As we now take a closer look at your heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of functions at your disposal. In front of you, you'll find your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer and your sat nav. Looking up, you'll also see your heads-up display, which can show key features such as your speed. As we now move over to the real centrepiece of this Defender's interior, which is your 11.4 Pivi Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your 360 parking aid as well as your 3D surround camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this vehicle is like second nature. You'll also be able to access your climate control system as well as your heated and cooled seat functions, alongside your cabin air purification plus. Further advancements to this Defender will be your electrically deployable tow bar, which you're able to access from within your entertainment screen, all courtesy of the advanced tow assist. You can also look down to see further dials for your climate control system as well as further vehicle dynamics such as terrain response. Looking up now to see your fully sliding panoramic sunroof, which will engross both occupants and enhance this Moorzine headlining in natural light. This has been a presentation of the Approved Used Defender, which is now available to purchase at our dealership.